Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to recover the Amazon Prime Video account password. Now to do this, first thing you need to do is open a browser in your PC. You can use any browser for this process. So click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in primevideo.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official page where you need to click and sign in. Over here on the top right, click that. And here on this page of sign in, you need to click on this option, forgot your password. Click that. This will begin the recovery process for your account. So here you provide either your email address or the phone number of your account. Type in your details and then click on continue. Now a verification will be required where a one-time password will be sent to the email address of yours, and you need to type in that code over here on this text box. For that, open your Gmail. There's the Amazon password. Click upon that. Now you need to copy this code from here. Click on copy and paste it over here on the text box. Then click on continue. This will verify your email address. Moving forward with the process of providing a new password. Now here you will be able to type in a new password for your Amazon. Re-enter the same password as above. And then click on Save Changes and sign in. With this, the recovery process will be completed. And if you want to provide a phone number for the Amazon Prime Video of yours, you can type in over here. I'm just going to skip this process for now. As you can see, you have been logged in with the new password that you have just updated. So this is how you can recover Amazon account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.